going to copy this error. I'm going to copy this. Okay, good. So I think everybody should be on
Everybody
this.
should be on this.
Hello. 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 So this is what we have after that first prompt. This is what we have. We have a Jumia clone, a full Jumia clone that is working without any issue. Abi, we have a competitor. Can go and make. Let's make the money. Let us integrate payments. Let us start collecting payment from our clients. Before we do that, let's make sure that we can add products to cart first. So I click add. You can see that the cart is updating. Hello, are we together? Are we tired? Error po. It's good. There's error in this code. You have to. So add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, updating. So here's my cart so far. Now I'm sure it would have imported a dummy checkout. This is the checkout page. And on this checkout page, I'm supposed to be able to enter my email, my phone, my address, where this product is going. This product. So this is how much I'm going to pay. $154. Now I can select to pay with card, pay with bank transfer, or to pay with cash on delivery. Right now, if I choose cash on delivery, just go straight and direct to my other page. Put together. I click pay now. Actually take me to that because cash on delivery is going to be paid when the product is delivered. Interesting. This is an interesting section. The ability to pay card. How are we going to? Well, I taught us this thing called payment gateway. So all you have to do payment from the client is create an account on Paystack. are going to be a stack. Create an account here. That's going to take you maybe 10 days or so. Just go to ask you to verify your address, verify your submit your. But at the end of that process, you're going to give payment from your customers. You understand? Submit one, verify your account. I'm going to give you application. So let me log into my own application, Paystack. So when you get home, you guys can create. Really, that's not that difficult. So the thing is, I already have the API key. Account on Paystack. This is the dashboard you are going to be given. Everybody will be given dashboard. Everybody is going to be given this dashboard. And if you head over to settings, go to API key and web hook. Once you verify your accounts and you verify everything, and use the live secret keys to receive live payments. You can also use the test payments. We are going to be using now is test key. So I'm going to go back to that AI itself. I'm going to prompt it to implement payments by this process. And it's going to ask me, going to prompt me to give it my Paystack. Here I just copied. It's going to prompt me that I should provide the whole code payment. Understand that process. All we just need that key. Prompt AI that build add payments, integrate payments into my software. Then whichever architecture you want to use for your vendors to receive payment, you are going to state it. So if you want to pay your vendors at the end of it, or you want to pay your vendors instantly, customers buy their product, it's that architecture prompt. So you see this settings section, this settings right here. Just click on it. Navigate to the end. You are going to see something called secrets. This is your environment variable on AI Studio. Tell it to create payment. Right now, this is it for my Gemini's API key. But the moment you implement payment into your project, it's going to prompt you here that put your PayPal and Paystack secret key. Understand that flow where your environment are for Google's AI Studio. It's going to be different because the platform. Now let me just quickly payment. That's all. You guys can but this is a vague prompt. It's not detailed. If anything we gets it, I'll use it. Let's wait for What I want to test actually is I want to register as a vendor and I want to add products to this website. A vendor and I want to add products to this website. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the role from here, from buyer. Um, so everyone, if you have another Google account, register as a vendor. Register as a vendor instead of just a buyer. Register as a vendor. You know, a vendor needs to have the ability to add products, delete products, be able to see sales, how much she paid that month, customers. So register as a vendor so that you can test those functionalities. And anyone not working, any feature not working, you just have to prompt it that it should fix. Okay. We're able to register as a vendor. We're able to register as a vendor. So test it. Can you add products? Can you add products? Not cards. Like, can you create a product on that website? So the it is done. Now you can see it's prompting, it's asking for something. It is asking for PayPal tag public key, which I already put. All I need to do is just to paste it inside here. Hi. So that's good. If you go to the secrets, if you go to the settings, then to the secret section, I'm going to we all see this. The secret I just pasted. So that's good. Let's test if the payment is working. I'm going to log in. Okay. Put the customer's name, the customer's email. Let's try to pay with card. Option for bank transfer. Pay with. Okay, good. So it's coming up, which means on this application, um, anonymous users can actually make payments. I didn't need to log in. So this is it. Let me click on process and make the payment. The transaction was declined due to. Wow. So, but this one, that's how we come. So if you want to deploy your project online, follow this step. Step. Push this project for GitHub. Projects to GitHub. So when you push, how many of us know GitHub.com? So if you don't know GitHub.com, maybe on a later date, that's in it. Are two places where you can understand. These are two places where you can deploy your project online for free. So the moment you put your project to GitHub, and it's not that difficult, your project to GitHub, where is it? Come here. Okay, this is our project. Just click publish, publish, publish. Come over to GitHub, and just sign in. That's all. Just sign in. You have access to GitHub. Like this project has access to it. Just enter into a standard process. Just push, just one button. Okay, so you come back to rent an account. This is what you are going to get. Create an account. Just sign in with Azure. Sign in with Google account. If you have this account, just click create your first project. Click on that. Your project is name. So for this, let's name so new. Try to connect. I've already rent already done. So it knows all the projects that is on my job account. Like it knows all the projects. I go to GitHub, you see Google Scraper, Junior Clone, like all these projects. And that's direct access. So just pick any project that you want to deploy. You click on it. That's all. Now the next thing you have to say, every environment variable project. That's all you need. The only environment variable you have in this is stack. The environment variable you have in this stack. That means the only first stack. Let me navigate back to see. And that's all. I'm supposed to carry link. Generate that link. Next slide. Seconds. Let's click on, let's check for the link. My link. Voila. That's for publishing. So if I send this link to anybody, let me send it to WhatsApp group. That's all. The video is on YouTube. Just search for Spent Academy on YouTube. It's also on YouTube. Please, everybody, sit down. Don't conjure and go. Sit down. Yes, good pick. In the dream. Okay, let me quick that picture. All right, so are we live? Am I showing? So I want to do a random sampling right now. I want to do a random sampling. Okay, those of us that try to practice it, whether on your phone or your system, can you raise up your hand? That we tried. Okay. So rate yourself based on what he did. He did 100%. Where did you end it? 30 or 40 or 50? 50, right? Who else practiced? You just rate yourself. This is 100% now. You 25. Wow. 60. 70. 70. I will check it now. Yes, who else practice? Who else try? Rate yourself. 70. 25. 90. So that means I should have your link tonight. Your link tonight. If you are in 90. You are scamming me. See this one. It's 0. What's your... You should be on 100 now. Yeah, tell me. I need your link today. ASAP. Because she is a developer already, so she doesn't have an S. $20. Okay. How many of you like it to continue like this? You want it to continue? Are you going to be here on Monday morning by 8 a.m.? Okay. So this course actually costs 550,000. I should continue. I like your faith, and I will continue. So, well, you won't see this opportunity again because next month we are focusing on something else entirely. Last month it was something else entirely. This month is something else entirely. Next month is going to be something else entirely. So, free trial has ended. Want to continue? Subscribe to Premium. However, I am going to give everyone who participated physically voucher. We just started a new semester in Spent Academy. Unfortunately, registration is going to close by the end of this. I want to give everybody here 30 days open window. So what that means for you is that all costs zeroes down to 100,000 naira instead of the 350, instead of the 250, depending on whatever the cost.
you want to focus on vibe coding, let me tell you a basic truth. Man did not tell you. Don't tell him. Don't let him hear. You can't vibe code without being a successful developer. He just deceived you. You see, he was doing it one button, pa, it's working, pa, pa. By the time you start your own, there are many doors he has opened that you are not even aware of. There are many background things. For example, let me just give you hints. He just opened render and deploy site. It took me 3 days to connect GitHub to render successfully. It took me 3 days. So he just did it in 2 seconds. So that is an accumulation of some secret effort. If you want to become a vibe coder, I'm giving you 30 days open window, 100K, register for full course. At your time of convenience, you are going to have a special time with him. We'll take you through from zero, what is HTML, what is CSS. Those are basic things you need to do. However, you can still build a website without being a developer. Possible. You saw what he did with, what's the first one we used? Lovable. Lovable makes things easy. They do all the whole, but the truth is, you can't build real software. You can't build real system without being a developer. So don't let them deceive you that AI will take your job. AI cannot, it's not even close to taking anybody's job. It's going to take the job of lazy people, not people who know what they are doing. So I want to appreciate everybody for your time, and we also appreciate your presence. Please celebrate yourself. We hope to see you next time when we call. We're having this monthly. Next month we are focusing on. You want to ask a question? Yes, please go ahead. Yes. Yeah. Maybe you should.
So there is a difference between being a student and being an intern. So I just want to know the criteria of someone coming in as an intern.
Add that because we just shut down our internship program due to some reasons. But I'm going to explain it to you. Actually, originally, our internship program is designed for you to sign up for free. You are not going to pay a dime. And we are also going to pay you. But we just shut it down due to some reasons. Maybe we can readjust it and then put some. But how it works is that currently, we now have 3 semesters in a year. Currently, we are in 2nd semester. You can take any single course of choice of yours and sign up. You have your personal tutor and your mentor. So the internship was designed in a way that you come, you learn from scratch. Pick a single course, you learn from scratch for 6 months. Then after the first 6 months, the second 6 months, give you exercise to work with so that you'll be able to build your strength in whatever it is you learned. And after you finish the first year, you promote to the second stage in the second year. So the second year, you are going to work with Spent Digital Labs, not Spent Academy. Academy is the training. Digital Labs is a development company. You're going to work with Spent Digital Labs for 6 months, and you're going to get paid your basic allowance for coming to office, your transport allowance, and then you get to work on real jobs. Maybe you learn web development, we give you real website, real client websites. You build it, you add to your portfolio. You can go and check that website. I built it. If you and your guy have good terms, can tip you money of the project. A project that is, and you're like, you did well. They can and they may not, but you are going to get your basic allowance coming to office. But currently, short. So you can always reach out to HR. If it opens up, they will let you know. But there is the normal internship now, the paid internship. But for that, you should have all the requirements. We are not training you now. You are coming to work. Get it? By that time, you must come in as a professional, not as a learner. That one is still on. You employ people. That is 6 months program. Get paid basic allowance. Grow up in your skills. Work with real project. Certify you. Real long term is I have a question. Any other question before we call it a day? All right. So in the absence of no question, please, I want us to take group photograph. So how we are going to do it now, I don't understand. Maybe some of us will climb on those chairs. But let's take any way, anyhow. Make sure you show. You can stop the line.